top players, yung po ating mga league leaders. Jason Dixon sa points, rebounds, Alexander, Helter sa assists, Reyes sa steals, and Alexander sa blocks. That was our top players brought to us by Top Power Energy Drink. Top Power Energy. And we begin our hostilities here in the third quarter. And both teams, sabi nga natin, struggled offensively the second quarter. Coca-Cola only scored 13 points. Pure Foods only scored 14 points. And it has been a defensive battle between these two squads. Ito, Jason Dixon opening things up with a hook shot.
Ayan naman talaga gusto isimula itong si Coach Pinky Fabis. Again, to remind the TJ Giants na, hoy, itong Jason Dixon namin ang magiging biggest headache ninyo. You have to contain him in the post.
Ito na si Roger Yep. With too much time off the shot clock. Huh? Wala yung tira na yun ni Rico Villanueva. Ito na si Asi Taolava. Kicks it out. Sir Cathy, kanina pa sumusubok yan. It's Rico Villanueva. He was covered by Jason Dixon. Another drive. Finally gets a basket.
And that's one aspect na TJ Giants are ahead in. Ano, yung mga rebounding story. 11 offensive rebounds para sa TJ Giants as a team tonight.
Here's Jason Dixon with turnaround. Tinamaan pa raw siya sa mukha. A total of 13 points for Mr. Dixon. 4-point lead here by the Tigers. James Yap. Ito, kailangan paganahin nila si Kirby. Kirby still scoreless here in the ball game. Continues to be scoreless. Last touch dito kay Asi Taolava.
Yun yung incidental contact na ng bola, no? Kay Asi.
Right, so baseline inbound para dito sa Pure Foods. James Yap. They go to Ralimi at the post. Ralimi. Hook shot is good. Two big guys with decent looking hook shots.
Lalim na nung tira nito si Reder Ralimi. Buti naiangat pa. Double digits na rin with 10 points.
Ito rin siya si Taolava. Bumangga kay Ralimi. Supal palang inabot. Napulot dito si Dixon. Dixon ngayon. Siya yung aangat. Hindi. Kinake out kay Copeland. Copeland hesitating a bit. Kicks it out. 3 seconds to shoot para sa Coca-Cola. Here's Cabagnot. Missing. James Yap getting the rebound for Pure Foods. Bounces a pass to Rico Villanueva. Struggled to dribble. Buti na lang naka-recover.
You know, Rico had one thing in his mind. He wanted to slam that ball with two hands. Ano? Pero he still was able to recover and he gets his 4th point of the ball game.
Ito ngayon si Cabagnot against James Yap. Cabagnot drives inside, kicks it out to Taolava. Taolava na agawan, hindi, napulot ni Cathy. Ito na ngayon si Copeland, libre, laro sa TM Chris. Donald Copeland.
11 points na para kay Donald Copeland. Good pass galing kay Cathy. Ano? Wala nang isip-isip. Libre si Copeland on the left corner or left side of the court.
Ito na ngayon si Kirby. Pinigay muna dito kay Ralimi. Short jumper is good for Reda Ralimi.
Well, he's trying to earn the respect of the Coca-Cola import na si Jason Dixon na pinapatira siya kanina pa. Kanina nakikita natin, awa yung mga tira. This time, a better looking shot for the 12 points of Reda Ralimi.
Cabagnot goes inside, challenges the Giants. And gets the basket. Nice shot for Alex Cabagnot. Total of 12. Ito naman si Rico Villanueva. Dumps it to Kirby Raimundo, who finally gets his first 2 points of the ball game.
Really has been struggling since the last game. Only 1 point. Ito si Kirby, ibig sabihin na doble na ni output niya of tonight. But he's only has 2 points in the ball game, and we expect him to be a force to contend with para sa TJ Giants.
Dire-diretso naman to si Asi Taolava. A determined drive by Asi Taolava. Has 3 points so far.
Not really contributing on the points department, pero he's got a couple of rebounds to his name.
They go back to Kirby Raimundo against Cesar Cathy. You really don't have to foul if you're Cesar Catli dahil alam mo naman may nakaabang inside the paint.
And if you still want to play, you don't have to foul because that's his 5th personal. Ayan na si Ricky Kalimag will get the call.
So inbound dito para sa Pure Foods. You can expect them to go back to Kirby Raimundo. Pero pumunta muna sila dito kay Peter Simon. Israelini guarded by Dixon. Balik nga sila kay Kirby. Kirby sumugod. Kicks it out to Peter Simon. Nakapuso na ng oras. So ito na nga si Kalimag. Papasok na.
Okay, nakikita natin si Coach Ryan Gregorio. I think he had something to do with the cut of ito si PJ Simon. Parang nagka-clog, ano? Pag hawak ni Kirby Raimundo yung bola, he wants it to be some sort of an isolation play para walang makatulong sa one-on-one.
Samantala, ito si Jason Dixon. Meron ng 15 puntos. Ito sa ating laban. More importantly, bigyan na yung 5-point lead itong Coca-Cola Tigers. 7 minutes remaining here in the third period. Roger Yap trying to split the double team. Kicks it out to Simon. Simon. Too strong. Nandyan si Rico Villanueva. Getting the offensive rebound in a putback.
Actually, a yeoman's job. Ano? Nakita si Rico Villanueva could not really outjump anyone. Taps the ball to himself, gets the offensive rebound and the putback.
Dito nagsastart ang opensa ng Coca-Cola Tigers at the post dito kay Jason Dixon. And he's reacting to what the defense is giving him. Yung maganda, no? He's reading the defense first before making his move. Pero mukhang nakakaramdam na ng pagod itong si Jason.